Hey Randall, this is Danny from Josh and Danny SEO. I know Joshua called you a little bit earlier, so let's take a look at your website, see what's going on, and see what we can find. So right off the bat, when I put in your name, R&W Paint Construction, Birmingham, Alabama, I come up with nothing. I do have a little bit of a Yelp and a Home Advisor page and the BBB, but that's just about it. Not even Angie's List. I mean, maybe R&W Painted in Birmingham. Okay, so you are here as in Angie's List as well, but you're nowhere else. No LinkedIn, no, I mean, that guy, I don't think is you, and that's, yeah, RW Stone and Tile, not you. So that's a problem because we don't have a GMB, you don't have a website, you're missing out on about, I would say, a ton of where people search. So let me show you from the top what happens when we use Google to our best advantage, right? We have Painters, Birmingham, Alabama, right? I don't know if this is specifically where you live, but I'm going to, just an idea. So I put in this type of keyword. Now, a keyword is anything I put into Google. I specifically put in painters, Birmingham, Alabama, because it completes two things. It tells me what service I'm looking for a painter in Birmingham, Alabama. So I'm very restricted to location, which means, obviously, I live here. I don't. I'm just doing this for a purpose of this video. Now, right over here, you have your GMB with the map location over here. Now, 30% of all people searching for anything will click on this. Now, it does work with a website, but it's just another way to get people to your website. The second thing is your organic search. Anyone can rank here as long as you know what you're doing and you have a website. So Estes Painting, and you may know them, are the #1 competitor in your area for this specific keyword. And this is what they got. I'm a little disappointed, actually. They have their number here, and it's not even a click to call. So if somebody goes here on their phone, they won't be able to pick it up. And then after that, they have free estimates, which does go somewhere else. And then nice picture. Okay, so this is everything that they are offering. But if you look over here, they offer all of this stuff, which should be under painting instead of carpentry. Even decks can be under painting, but carpentry can be decks, windows, and door replacement, and painting can be all the other stuff in here. Now, they do talk a little bit about what's going on, so I'm happy that they have content because you do want content. Videos, no one really cares about a video. But then after everything is done, you do want to see everything on the bottom here again, kind of like your table of contents. So the one thing I do have to say about them is that, their number isn't a click to call, which I'm very disappointed in, and they have content, but not enough of it. Content's very important. The more content you have, the more keywords you have the ability to put into your website. But let's go back on what the back end of a website looks like. So a UR rating is how much Google likes, or is how strong the website is. So they have a 14, and they have a DR rating of 1.3, which is how much Google trusts them. Now, all of this works with backlinks. Now, some are spammier than others, like BuzzFeed, Wikipedia. So I'm going to go ahead and say that a lot of these are going to be spammy because they have a very low DR rating and not the highest UR rating. You want this rating to be in the 30s and 40s, ratio 1-to-1. Now, not a backlink, by the way, is where you have your website link somewhere else where somebody can click on it. Referring domains is when it returns to you. So they need to up this and get more quality. Now, as far as organic keywords, they have 217 variations of keywords that people can type into Google to find them. So I put in painters, Birmingham, Alabama, which is how I found them. They are they're in position number 3 for it. 200 people a month searched for it, and they're getting 27 people a month. When you're in positions 1, 2, and 3, you'll get anywhere from 10 to 20% of all search volume. But if you notice, all their keywords are all location specific. They're Birmingham, Alabama, and all service specific. I'm looking for a house painter. Where? Birmingham, Alabama. Great. It should tell you a story of what you're looking for and where you're looking it for, almost like when we're in school, when we're looking for the predicate and the preposition and stuff. Birmingham house painters, painters Birmingham. You see how they're getting traffic through all of those? These are what we call buyer intentional keywords. These are people who live in the area searching specifically for this service, which means I can safely say that these people are exactly who we want coming to our website. So how does this help you out, Randall? All right. You have 5 steps here. Step number 1 is I want you to go into Google tonight, and I want you to type in Google GMB or GBP, my business profile, or map pack, whatever you want to call it, and create one for yourself. It should look like this. You want one of these guys. Create it for yourself. Put all your details in there and save it. Okay? And then just every time you do a job, get reviews there. So that's step number 1. Step number 2, you're going to need a website so you can connect it to the GMB and so people can find you in the organic search, which is this. So you're going to have to build a website, which means you're going to separate it into a couple sections by location and by service. And then you're going to need content. That's step number 3. We need content for that website that actually will read with Google. It's not AI created because they will sandbox you. Number 4, we need keywords inside of there. Good, strong keywords, just like you saw with the painting company Birmingham, the people I just showed you. And then number 5 is your backlink profile. We need to get excellent backlinks so that you can start rising through the ranks, so you can start actually getting clients through it. Imagine if you bring 100 people through your website alone. What would that do for you? Anyway, that's all I got. If you do have any questions for me, Randall, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, you have an amazing night. Bye.